Good afternoon and welcome to a hot, sticky Pattaya here in Thailand. Today we're going to have a cool off at Ramayana Waterpark. So Ramayana is, I believe, the second biggest in Asia. It's definitely the biggest in Thailand.
Yes,
I think it's the second biggest water park in Asia.
I think
12th in the world, yeah. And I think it's 12th in the world. Something like that. I'm sure one of you guys can check those facts out and let me know down below. It's definitely one of the prettiest. So here's a TerryTracker top tip. When you come into the park, they funnel you into... can't hear music. They funnel you into the gift shop and you have a massive line to top up your band, because these bands is how you pay for everything. Go into the park, go to this desk here and top it up there. So like I was saying, you have to put money onto this band, which has got a QR code, and all the booths and food vendors, everything like that, all have to scan that band. They don't take cash. And like I say, the one in the gift shop is always ram-packed, but this one out here, there's never anybody there, and it's literally right next to where you sit anyways. TerryTracker top tip. It's not the warmest waters, mind. Ooh. This is where the wave really hits you. Oh, helicopter. Well, we're going to have a go over the lazy river. So, as Chris Goforth would say, come along, join us.
You got ice like summer sky. If you're smart, could kill or die. And now it starts to rain, so let's enjoy it. I can't believe that this is real, and the way you make me feel, you make me wanna sing, and so I do. So if you want, I'll be right there. Anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds.
Hanuman Cafe is where you get most of your food from. If you want to have a look at the menu, there it is. So I'm going to take you for a quick walk around. So this is the double wave pool. This is where me and Emma are sitting down here. So some slides over there and some slides at the back. Those slides at the back are the serpentine, the spiral and the boomerang. There's also the aqua loop, the mat racer and the free fall over that way. We're going to head and have a look at these. To get that section, it is the Himmapan Forest. And there's the lazy river where me and Emma went through before. The first thing that we'll come to at this side is the river slide. So you walk down those stairs, pick up a tube, take it all the way up there, and then you slide all the way back down and end up in the lazy river. Then you have the python and the aquaconda. So the aquaconda and the python are for 2 to 4 people. So if you're by yourself, like I am at the minute, because Emma's not with me, she's sunbathing, you can't go on. Wah, wah, wah. Now if you follow around past the exit pool, you have the toilet block over there, and over here you have the aqua coaster. Now this is for 1 person or 2 people. It seems as though the park is absolutely overrun with Russians. Like, there's nobody British here. Obviously it's Thailand, but there's not many Thais here. It's every single person I'm seeing is Russian. Weird. And because there's so many here today, the lines for the rides is mental. I've just waited 20 minutes for that aqua coaster, and I didn't get to go on it because it was I only took 2 steps forward. So I reckon the line was at least an hour for the aqua coaster. Not going to happen. So back to the main pool, gonna head right and take you around to where there's another couple of slides, chutes, whatever you want to call them. So there's another toilet block there. And then this is where all 3 of the slides exit. Now on all the other slides in the park you're allowed to take your camera or phone. On this one Not allowed to take you on these ones. Although I am holding a GoPro and it looks exactly like the picture, she's just told me that GoPros are allowed in this one, but phones aren't. So I'll let you figure that one out. The sign definitely says no GoPros or cameras beyond this point. It even has the same floaty stick which I'm holding at the minute, which I've got you attached to. Exactly the same on the picture. But she went, no, that's fine, you can take that, just no phone. Still a bit cold when you first get in. Wow. Now when the belly, when the water first touches your belly, oh, I think it's because I'm so hot from the sun. I think that's us done for the day. So now we'll go back to the front, scan this, and whatever money that's left on it, we get back in cash. And I keep forgetting about this one. So this is another food area. It's a bigger food area, and I bet it's a better food area. Emma, they do pizza. We've been here, this is probably the 4th time we've been here, and we did not know that over here at the Fern Garden main restaurant, it says friggin' main in the name, that they actually do pizza. Oh my god. So there you go, they do the pizzas.
Could have had the damn Caesar salad.
Pasta. Emma really wanted Caesar salad and they do it over here. Salads, fish and chips, burgers, and then some Thai food, soups, more salads. Yeah. It's your fault. It's your fault. It's your fault. So anywho, ignore what I said earlier. Don't go to that one up there. Go to this one down here. Much better. Dang. And I've got a thing that you can climb inside of. And you want to know how stupid we are? Look, that's the entrance right there. So over this side of the park, which we never seem to come to, you've got the Rainbow Skywalk. I'm sure this wasn't here the last time we come. And the big splash pad thing. And I keep forgetting about this big splash pad thing. I know it's really only for kids, but adults can go too. Strike that. You're only allowed in if you've got a kid. No adults, but adults with kids. Dang it, because like I like them. Yeah, can we borrow somebody's child for an hour so we can go play in there? That's not fair. It's got bubble waffles, ice creams and cold drinks here too. Can't believe it. 4 times we've been here, and all our good food's been there, and we've been going to that other one where it's meh. So there you have it, folks. That was probably the worst review of Ramayana, because like, yeah, didn't know where the good food was, but we found it. Yeah, anywho, so see you on the next one. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Now it's time to do your job.